Hi folks, I'm unboxing a instant 10 foot by 10 foot instant canopy, and I'm using it for camping. I'm gonna waterproof it. I'm showing you what it's all about. This is what the canopy looks like. It's called the instant 10 foot by 10 foot instant canopy by Ozark Trail, and this is with the straight legs. See how it's got the straight legs? It's gonna be for and it's maroon color. Here's the directions are attached. Look at that, attached sewed right in the bag. And here I had the cardboard in there so I couldn't even see the directions. So don't be like me. Look at Bella. Hi Bella. She's ready. Bella, are you ready to go camping? She's ready to go camping. Do a Bella dance. She's ready to go camping. The canopy that I'm going to be waterproofing in a minute. First I have to use the bracket. So this is the frame that holds the canopy. On this project, I used 2 cans of the Camp Dry. You can buy them at Walmart. That's what they said the most important part was the seam. Waterproof the seam. Gotta be careful. I should have put a mask on. Here's the barcode in case you need to order it. 174270168, and you get it at walmart.com. They deliver it for free. Came in 2 days, and it's got the rolling bag comes with it and a nice zipper. Okay, here's what it looks like, all put up, all sprayed. I'm just letting it dry out. There's the finished product. Let me show you what it looks like on top. Whee! Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay, now it's gonna dry before I pack it up. Are you ready to go camping? She's ready to go camping. Do a Bella dance. She's ready to go camping.